let's do another song by the name Vatulu Vaku. So to break down that song, look at those chords. You may start in 1, but I'm adding the 9th. Look, it is C, our number 5. One of 5. Tole matwa. Look at that chord. Ngai again. Sitwa that's how that song is. So to go slowly once again. Vatulu Vaku, Tita, Tole matwa, Gai Geni, Sitwa So to play the whole thing, Vatulu Vaku, Tita, Gai Geni, Sitwa That's how we go about that song. Subscribe. God bless.